What is this central tendency? Central tendency topic is your second topic in your ABM. Okay, and very important topic, means it shows you the mean, mode, median, everything, standard deviation, that is all studied in central tendency topic. Okay, so follow the video till the end. Now let's start. Without wasting the time, let's start the topic. Okay, mean or average is the most commonly used single descriptive measure of central tendency. Now what do you mean by this? Average, we all know, since our childhood we have been taught to find the average. Suppose if I ask you for three numbers, 1, then 7, then what, let me call this 9. Okay, if I ask you the average of these numbers, what will you do? You will do a simple trick, 3 plus 7 plus 9, the whole upon 3. So that is average, isn't it? So either it's called as mean or it's called as average. Okay, so actually mean is not that simple. Mean is of three types. This mean which you are finding is simple arithmetic mean. Let me write it. This is simple arithmetic mean. Okay, now you have geometric mean also, you have harmonic mean also. There are separate types of means. Okay, so remember, mean, arithmetic mean is the simplest mean to find out. See this written over here, arithmetic mean, simplest mean to find out. Geometric mean is a bit difficult, and harmonic mean most difficult. So there are three levels. Level 1, we have those level 1 in all those games right now, on all those play 11, team 11, all these, there are level games. So this is also level game. So this is level 2 and this is level 3. Okay, remember this. Harmonic mean is the most difficult mean to find out. Okay, yeah, actually it is the reverse of arithmetic mean, that's why it's difficult. It's the totally reverse of arithmetic mean. Okay, mean is simple to calculate, easy to understand and interpret. Mean is of three types. Okay, so mean is simple to calculate. Simple means what? I am saying here harmonic is difficult, and here I am saying it's simple to calculate. So it's not that simple to calculate. Means very simple to calculate. Okay, compared to others it is simple to calculate. Okay, that's the meaning of this. Got it, everyone? So now tell me, I'll ask you few questions over here. Okay, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. What is the mean of this? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Mean of this. Type fast in the comment section. 1, 3, 5, 7. Mean. Fast. So what have you to do? Plus divided by 4. So answer is what? It will be the central part. So it is 4. Right? Similarly, the mean for this above one, what was this? 19 upon 3, right? So 6 point what? 1 remaining, right? So 6.11 roughly, yeah, 6.11, isn't it? So that's how we find out this arithmetic mean. Mean or average is the most commonly used single descriptive measure for central tendency. Mean is simple to use, so this is we have done just now. Arithmetic mean of ungrouped or raw data. Now the mean is always of two types. Okay, always remember this. Mean is of two types. Let it be geometric mean, let it be arithmetic mean, let it be harmonic mean. One is ungrouped data, ungrouped. Okay, and second is grouped data, grouped. Okay, what is the grouped data and what is ungrouped data? Grouped means this ungrouped means this 1, 2, 3. This is all ungrouped. What is grouped? 5 to 10, 10 to 15. See here, we are forming groups over here. So that is known as grouped data. In group data, you also have frequency. That is also attached in group data. Okay. So this is a sign. How do you define whether any data is grouped or ungrouped? Main point is, if you have frequency attached to it, it means it's a group data. Now you'll ask me, if frequency is attached to the group data, what is the frequency for ungrouped data? So remember, whenever you have an ungrouped data, the frequency is always equal to 1. Always frequency is 1 for any ungrouped data. Got it? So how to find out the arithmetic mean of ungrouped data over here? Ungrouped. Okay, now we are finding for ungrouped. Then we'll be finding for grouped. Okay, So it is very simple. So x bar equals to summation of xi upon n, where xi means what? x1, x2, x3, xn, up to n observations. Now you will say, sir, this is so difficult to understand. But remember, it's not difficult. What is this summation xi? Summation xi is here. Whenever you write summation, what does it mean? Summation means, summation if I write xi, what does it mean? And I am writing I equals to 1 to whatever n I will write. So it means what? I am just replacing this I with 1, 2, 3, 4. So summation means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus go on and on up to whatever number I want, xn. Okay, and this number, see this 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes on increasing. So that is the meaning of this summation. Okay, so summation xi means what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus, okay, got it? Now for n observations, now what did we do earlier? Then we did the same thing. Xi, what did we do? Suppose if I call this as x1, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4. So what am I doing? I am just finding x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, the whole upon n. Same thing over here, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, the whole upon n. So that's why always remember, things are simple, we don't understand them and we try to learn them. Never learn these, okay? Try to understand this. So got it, everyone? So arithmetic mean of ungrouped data is summation xi upon n. Okay, now before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever is needed for clearing CAIIB and JIIB, you will get it over here. So definitely download it immediately, okay? Because you are getting many discounts over here. Use the code Y432. I'll tell you more about this, okay? Arithmetic mean of ungrouped or raw data means, let's see this example. Consider the marks of 10 students in the mathematics in certain exam, 35 blah 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 blah, all these. If the arithmetic mean is 30, find the value of x. See this, there is something x over here. I don't know the number x and I have to find this number. How do I find this? I know the arithmetic mean is 30. So how do I solve this? So look at this. Suppose if I tell you average of 1, 2 and 3. How will you do the average? 1 plus 2 plus 3, the whole upon 3. That is the way I'll do the average, right? So suppose instead of 2 I give you 1, then x and 3, and then I give you upon 3, and then I give you that the average is 2 if I give you this, and now I tell you to find the value of x, okay? So average means what? See this, average or mean, mean, you can write it mean also. Mean equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon 3. But if I give you the mean, see here I am finding the mean. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon 3. So I will get this as what? 2. Now what will I do? I know all these things. So what will I do? I will replace this 2 with x. So now what is the answer? I know this 2 mean as 2, right? And I have to find x. How do I find this? What will I do? I will multiply this 3 on this side. So what do I get? 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus x equals to 3 to the 6 on this side. Then I'll take 4 on the other side. So x equals to what? 6 minus 4. So that is equal to 2. See, I got this 2. Got it, everyone? Everyone understood this? How did I find the mean? Now let's find out for this big numbers. Here, why did I give you the simple example? So that you can understand how to find out mean and how to find out x. Now I can use the same example for the larger scale of numbers. So let me write it. 35 plus 30 plus 18 plus 15 plus 40 plus 30 plus 52. Are you doing it, everyone? Plus x plus 47 plus 10. Okay, so let me remove this side now. Let me remove this. Okay, this you have got it now. Yeah, up till now I'll keep it over here only because remaining solution is easy for you. So now this 10. The whole upon, how many numbers are there? 10 students, right? It's given above. The 10 students, the whole upon 10. See here, what are we doing? We are writing the similar equation over here. But I know the arithmetic mean is 30. So I know the answer is 30 over here. 30. Now I have to find out x. This is my question mark, right? So what will I do? First add all these. All these numbers you need to add. Okay? Add them. What are you getting? Everyone add them. What is the answer you are getting, guys? Yeah? Shall we do it? Shall me doing it? Okay, let me do it. Many of you are asking, do it live. Okay? Let's do it live. Okay, let's bring the calci. But after all, exam is yours, man. Have I to give the exam? I have cleared already all these JIB and CIB. Okay? So, do it yourself. Practice it yourself. Let me try. Let me also try. 35 plus 30 plus what? 52? No. What? 18. 18 plus what? 15 plus 40 plus 30 plus 52 plus everyone. Yeah, what is the next? 52 plus 47. Keep this x as it is. 47 plus 10. So 277 I am getting it. So 277, I'll write it over here. 277 plus x, the whole upon 10 equals to 30. So what will I do now? I'll multiply this 10 over here. So 277 plus x equals to 300. So x equals to what? X equals to, ain't you able to see this? One second, let me see. Okay, you are not able to see this which is going besides me, behind me. Okay, so let me write it over here. 277 plus x upon 10. Okay, let me remove this because you are not able to see this. Okay, this part, let me remove it. Got it? Yeah. So solve this and you will get it as x as what? 300 minus 277, right? So 23. So x equals to 23. This is my answer, isn't it? And that's what I want. This is the answer required. So if you know the meaning of arithmetic mean, the problem is easier. Okay, got it? Move on. Before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB. Number 1, number 2, free YouTube series. Right now what are you seeing? You are seeing the free YouTube series. So you'll get the free YouTube series on this channel only. Okay, all the topics, not only this, all the topics for JIB and CIB. Now next one, find the arithmetic mean of the group data. This is a separate problem. Earlier arithmetic mean was a ungrouped data. Now it is grouped data. So what is the frequency I told you? See here, in ungrouped data we have frequency equals to 1, but here we have the frequency. Okay, so find the arithmetic mean. Okay, what we'll do is we'll break this problem. Let's break this to only these. Let's remove these things. Okay, let's move only up to 4 because that's understanding the logic is important. It's not important to solve all these big numbers, right? Let's solve it up to 4 only. Okay, so find the arithmetic mean. Okay, what is this f over here? What we'll do is we'll write it over here x over here, right? Then we'll write fx also. F over here, frequency. Okay, then we'll write this, then we'll write fx, multiplication. Okay, and then we'll find out, again you are not able to see this, x, then I'll write over here f, frequency, then I'll write over here fx, right? Fx. Okay, now let me solve it. What is x? 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is f? F is 5, 6, 5 and 10. What is fx? Multiply this. 5 1 is 5, 6 2 is 12, 5 3 is 15 and 10 4 is 40, right? So fx I have got it. So how do I find this frequency, this arithmetic mean now? So arithmetic mean equals to summation fx, the whole upon n. What is n? But n is always the total of this f. Okay, it's not the total of x, it's the total of f. So 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 6, 26. So n equals to, shall I write this? 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10. So it is 26. N equals to 26. So upon n. So find the answer. What is the addition of fx? See this. So addition of fx is 40 plus 15. That is 55, 55, 65, 67, 72. Right? So 72 is my summation fx. The whole upon n. N is what? 26. So do the division now. 72 upon 26. What are you getting? Again, you try it yourself. Everyone type in the comment section. 72 upon 26. What are you getting? What are you getting, everyone? 72 upon 26. What are you getting, everyone? I need to see the answers. Okay, let me remove this by the time. Eraser. Let's remove this because you can't see this now behind me. Okay, I'm in between. Yeah. So summation fx upon n. So summation fx, everyone has got this 72. Summation fx, the total, have you got this 72 over here, everyone, or no? If not, kindly write no. Then 26 over here. Then do the division. Then 72 upon 26. It is what? 2 point something, right? 2.76, right? 2.76. So this is the average arithmetic mean. Such a simple problem in exam. You get it for 1 mark, and know the importance of 1 mark. Collecting 1 mark is important in exam. Okay. So that was it about arithmetic mean of grouped data and ungrouped data. Let me revise it again for everyone. Grouped and ungrouped data. What do you mean by this? Okay, you need to have a proper revision of this. Okay. So what is grouped and ungrouped data? Grouped means where you group it 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 35, all these things. And second part is you get a frequency over here in group data. Whereas in ungrouped data, the frequency is equal to 1. This is ungrouped data, this one, right? This is all ungrouped. What is the frequency in this? What is the frequency of 35 over here? Can anyone tell me what is the frequency of 35 over here? What did I say? When the data is ungrouped, the frequency is equal to what? Everyone, frequency is equal to when the data is ungrouped. Type fast in the comment section. When the data is ungrouped, the frequency equals to right? It is 1. Always remember this by heart. Okay. When the data is ungrouped data, I'll write it over here. Where is it? Ungrouped. See this. Okay. When the data is ungrouped data, the frequency is always equal to 1. Okay. I am not able to say this. One sec. Let me show you this graph also, because many of you, let me bring it over here now. Okay. Yeah. So remember, when the data is ungrouped, the frequency of the data, frequency equals to 1. Frequency equals to 1. Always remember for ungrouped data. Got it, everyone? Move on. Okay. Now let me show you the batches. See this. The batches, you should always join the batches, and in fact you should join the Mahapack. I'll show you each one by one. Okay. Let's go to Adda 24/7. See this. Go to Adda 24/7. If you're having the app, go on the app. I would suggest. In the app, you're getting 1% extra using the coin system. Okay. Coin system is a huge benefit to you. See here. Go to Adda 24/7. Click on JIB and CIB. Okay. Click on CIB 23. Now you'll see the batches. See these batches. Selection batch just now started. Okay, just now means only 3-4 days. You get the recorded sessions also. Click on this batch. Okay, you'll get the details of the batch. All the details means what are the dates, timings, etc. Study plan. Go through it. Also, importantly, look at the fees part. In fact, remember, recorded videos are available. So if you miss out any class, you can definitely get back to it. 2 interactive classes. So the point over here is you can ask the doubts there and then itself in the class. 5279 fees. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. So 80% off. 4799 reduces to this fees of 23999 reduces to 4799. Such a huge discount you are getting. Validity 6 months. You can go for Mahapacks, I would suggest. In Mahapack, what happens? You get double validity. Now, what is the Mahapack? Mahapack means 15 plus batches per subject. Let me show you this also. Click on the front page, go to the front page, click on JIB and CIB, click on JIB CIB Mahapack. Okay, now you will see this CIB ka Mahapack. Click on this CIB ka Mahapack. Here you will see the details. Means what are the batches here? 15 plus batches for ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRPL, all the 4 subjects. Numericals are covered, various case study batches are covered, ebooks are covered, tests are covered, everything you are getting it. Okay, so this Mahapack is one of the best things for you. Now you'll see, sir, everything is okay. What about the fees? Now look at the validity also. 6 plus 6 months, 12 months validity you are getting. Not a joke. Okay, now see here, 500 plus hours. Then exam focused revision batches, everything you are getting. Okay, let me go to the fees part. 7699. See here, earlier the fees was 34999. Now 78% off, 7699. But I'll give you 2% extra. In fact, 3% extra in the app. Okay, on the site you are getting 2% extra. Put the code Y432, Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 34999 reduces to 6999.80 and validity is 12 months. So I would always suggest everyone should go and join the batches immediately, because exams are just 2 months from here, right? Exams 2 months, portion is new, first exam for the new portion. You'll be needing a mentor, a guide. Okay, chalo, bye everyone, keep studying and use the code Y432.